Hello everyone, this is Prarthana from Bodhi Yoga Institute. Today in this video we will talk about fat. People always want to get rid of stubborn belly fat or thigh fat, hip fat, arm fat, etc., which we can see from outside. But have you ever thought about the internal body fat, which we cannot see from outside, but it is more dangerous than the outer body fat? So if you are not aware of this, then it is very important for you to understand this. So there are actually two different types of body fat. One is subcutaneous fat and the second is visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is the body fat which is found directly under your skin, which is normally pinchable. You can feel it by pinching. And you can measure this very easily. But visceral fat, which is also called abdominal fat or active fat, that is found within your abdominal cavity, okay, between your stomach, intestine, liver, kidneys, and that is slightly trickier to measure. We can't see it out from outside, okay. And if you see, normally men are much more likely to store the fat as a visceral fat, whereas women are more likely to store it as a subcutaneous fat. So first let us understand that what are the causes of extra visceral fat in the body. So the first cause is poor diet, and then lack of sleep, inflammation, chronic stress, okay, hormonal changes, or consumption of alcohol or tobacco products, slow metabolism, and lack of physical activity. All these are the causes of extra visceral fat in the body. And as we all know that too much of any body fat is not good for the health. But compared to subcutaneous fat, the visceral fat is more likely to increase the risk of serious illnesses like heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, stroke, breast cancer, and high cholesterol, Alzheimer's. You're prone to all these diseases if you have high visceral fat in the body. And if you want to lose visceral fat and if you want to decrease the risk of all these diseases, then start cutting down your calories and start doing more and more exercise. Because when people slim down through diet and exercise, then visceral fat disappear 2 times as fast as subcutaneous fat. Now let us understand how to lose visceral fat effectively. So according to some researchers, yoga is one of the best way to reduce visceral fat. The advantage of yoga is that it combines all the required aspects for visceral fat to burn, like by practice of asanas and breathing exercises, the metabolic changes are triggered in the body. It gives adequate cardiovascular benefits by some of the asana practice and by the practice of sun salutation that will help you to burn these calories and to burn this fat easily. And yoga builds lean, strong and flexible muscles, which again gives a long-term fat loss. Because the extra muscle you build, it start burning visceral fat even when you sleep. Okay, and whatever stretches we do in yoga, that are very important, because when we do stretches, it elongates your muscles. Okay, and by doing this, it strengthens the muscles and it increases the blood circulation, so that automatically it increases the nutrition level to the each and every muscle, and the metabolic waste will be removed out of the body. Okay, so there are a lot of benefits. And yoga also has de-stress effect. Okay, and if you know that stress and anxiety also can affect your visceral fat. Okay, because when you are stressed or anxious, then you are stimulating your adrenal gland. Okay, and that will produce excess amount of cortisol in the body, which is the stress hormone. And studies have shown that excess cortisol can increase the visceral fat storage in the body. And in addition, ongoing stress can also increase overeating habit, which can again worsen the condition, right? And one of the proven strategies, they say that yoga has amazing result, de-stress impact, right? It is one of the best way to reduce stress and anxiety. So we can practice yoga, meditation, all the relaxation technique that are also very, very helpful to reduce this excess fat. Okay, now one another important thing is you have to increase your quality sleep. That is also very, very helpful to reduce your visceral fat, because according to some studies they have shown that lack of sleep may also increase your visceral fat in the body. So people who eat more added sugar, they are also more prone to have excess visceral fat. So limiting sugar, added sugar and fructose, that is also one of the best way to lose visceral fat. And according to some studies, they say that protein also can help you to boost your metabolism, and it promotes weight loss also, and it also help you to lose visceral fat. Okay, so in short, if we say reducing the intake of sugar and refined carbohydrates, tobacco, alcohol, and increasing the intake of non-starchy vegetables, good fats, and soluble fibers, low carb diet, and protein. So increasing all this also can be helpful to decrease the visceral fat in the body. So overall, we can say that visceral fat can be shed very easily, okay, compared to normal fat, using all the yoga techniques, using dietary changes and lifestyle changes. So check your visceral fat today only using the BMI calculator, and if you find that if your visceral fat levels are anything above 13, that means immediately you have to make changes in your diet, in your lifestyle, in your exercise routine. So let us start from today. Be healthy, be safe. Thank you.